Okay guys, welcome back to a new season. It's spring, it's April, I'm on Iceland. I think you figured that out already. 2.5 days on the boat, that was misery. I got so easy seasick. Managed to keep my energy in the body though, my neighbors did not, so I'm happy about that. What to say, there is a lot of snow. A bit more than expected, can be snow in April of course, but I didn't expect that much. So I need to put some studs on now immediately, otherwise I will have a crash very soon I think. I have 200 studs with me, so not that many, but if I put some on now, I managed to get a bit south and then the road conditions should be better. So I will drive clockwise now. My original plan was to drive northern side first, but it's too much snow there, so can't drive the motorcycle there. So you have to change plan when nature tells you, right? So south side, Reykjavik is on the other side of the island, so starting to go there and see how the forecast says after that. I have 9 days on Iceland, so hopefully I can make it around. That would be super fun, but if it's not possible, it's not possible. Yeah, let's start screwing. A lot of studs to go. So studs on the front and the rear tire. Yeah, it's melting now, but I had to drive slowly and maintain the studs. When it's just pure asphalt, they can fall off pretty quickly. On the winter trip I had them glued on, so yeah, drive slowly to a pizzeria that's supposed to be like 30 minutes out of here. And it's gonna be good to have some food. I'm pretty low, tired, and I feel seasick still, so. But yeah, I'm on Iceland and let's drive the motorcycle.